Hi, what is your name?
My name is Anson Chan.
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
I've been in this tuition since primary 3, around 6 years.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
This Cindy is like very chill, very very friendly to be, and the tuitions are very engaging as well. Okay, so this is probably the best tuition I've ever gotten because they are very fun to be with, and they also teach me a lot of things that have made my grades improve a lot. So I think this tuition is very effective and helpful.
Hi, what is your name?
Hazel.
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
2 years.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
Basically everything. The attitude very nice. Very smart. We also like Shani.
Did your grades improve?
Yeah, improve a lot.
Okay.
I got
Would you recommend SgAceTuition to your friends?
all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I also recommend all. Because I've been through it and very patient with us. The ticket system which I like the most.
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
Wow, more than 1 year.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
Science, should I do experiments?
Yeah.
Or not? Because
Did your grades improve? Hi, what is your name?
I'm Clara.
Okay.
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
2 years. Same.
Okay.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
It's very fun and they always make the tuition very engaging. I love the teachers because they're always so nice to us and they rarely scold us.
Would you recommend SgAceTuition to your friends?
because like they make me improve a lot. I was like once a L6 student, and then once I joined, I got a L2 or L1.
My math used to be really bad, but this encouraged me. And every time I got bad test, I would tell her my results, and she would always tell me that I did a great job. And I think it's very encouraging.
Awesome.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm just partial.
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
1 year.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
This makes very encouraging, and she's very kind, and she expresses the topic well. I love her way of teaching, and it's really fun. Yes, she also is very enthusiastic, and she's very kindful, and the way she helps is the same as me.
Did your grades improve?
Yeah.
Would you recommend SgAceTuition to your friends?
Yeah. Because most teachers are not as good as them.
Hi, what is your name?
So I go
How long have you been with SgAceTuition?
for around 4 years.
So, what do you like about SgAceTuition?
They are very interactive and their lessons are very engaging, and they always give out prizes no matter what, whoever wins or loses. So, and they host small competitions between all the lessons.